and Nikolas Cruz back in court today ahead of the upcoming penalty phase in his MSD massacre trial. And Local 10's Christina Vasquez is live for us in Fort Lauderdale to break down exactly what happened in court today. Christina.
Well, as the Parkland shooting case nears the beginning of this penalty phase, the defense team for Nikolas Cruz with a pretrial motion related to jury selection. The defense is asking the judge if they can take turns with the prosecution when asking potential jurors about their death penalty views, alternating between defense counsel and the state, arguing this would be the more fair method. The state countered that the defense is asking the court to toss aside long-standing tradition, similar to how the state goes first during opening statements and closing arguments. They also said switching it up could be confusing. You will first hear from the prosecutor and then the public defender.
I don't see any reason to upend the apple cart at this point, especially with the number of jurors that we are anticipating going through.
There is no basis in law or rule for the state to go first 100% of the time.
The judge said she planned to defer her ruling on this one until trial. Also today, the defense in this motion is asking the judge for a pretrial hearing to see the pictures and videos prosecutors plan to show to jurors. It says some of the photographs or videos may have no relevance or could be highly prejudicial and inflammatory, outweighing any probative value. The state countered that gruesome photographs are not automatically prejudicial or irrelevant, adding it would be hard at this time to determine what evidence could be relevant.
We have not received the mitigation, so we're just not in a posture to turn over what we're going to admit because we don't have all the information that we need.
During the hearing, both sides did conceptually agree to the idea of the court establishing a procedure to streamline anticipated arguments about the admissibility of certain pictures and video.
Sounds like you're both on the same page, and I think that's a great idea.
And so the judge basically said at this time she's deferring her ruling to the start of trial. And as we get closer to that moment, they can readdress and come to an agreement on a set of procedures that all parties can agree to. Meantime, the next hearing is scheduled for Monday. In Fort Lauderdale, Christina Vasquez, Local 10 News.